Hi, I'm GERRY Burdas. I'm an agricultural engineer by profession. Been through a lot of different work and corporation. Eventually, I found out that the passion that I have is actually about natural farming. I'm here at Eat Right Farm to Table Claveria, and this is where I can show you how I produce my vegetables and my food naturally, and how we transform it into a meal so that you get to experience what it means by farm to table. It's not perfect, but it's the closest thing that you're gonna see on a farm to table. On this training that I'm doing, this is the first module. I'm just gonna teach you the basic concept of what I do here. So I aspire to do permaculture in my farm, pero that takes time, so I'll show you how we're doing it. But basically, you will learn how to produce your own food naturally. You will learn how to understand microbial activity in the soil, its relationship to food production, its relationship to your health, and the relationship of waste to the whole nutrient cycle of our soil and ourselves. I will teach you practical composting, where we will get our microbes. I will teach you how to do compost tea and basically how to apply it. The critical element of creating compost and the application of it directly to your soil so that your plants can benefit. So, none of this would matter if you're only watching me from the video. It will be good to actually have you here to practically experience it. Hope you call us. It's just module 1. There's next modules coming out, but it'll be more on how to make sure that you do a permaculture farm and how to incorporate chickens, pigs, goats into your farm so that you practically reduce manpower in the farm.
So, ano siya? Light pesticide.
Contact us if you want to learn more about this, but basically be a weekend farmer so that if this is part of what you're trying to do as a retirement plan for you, or you just bought a land in Claveria that you want to put up a garden, this is one of the best recommendations that I can give to you. We have a lot of customers here who bought some land in Claveria, and they have a small parcel that they wanted to convert into a garden and a house. This is the best training for you.